Day 5.
Right now we have begun from Dehradun. We will go to Pantwari. It's a 3-hour journey from here. And we are 2 men down. Ashay and Rutvik, they are not coming because they had some health issues. And rest are over here. Let's go. Characteristic thing which you observe when you come to city of Dehradun is that you find many people of different age groups doing fitness activities all around the city, and the city is lively when you go out for a walk in the morning. With our breakfast, and this was our breakfast view. We are right now besides Angal, which is a river which is a tributary to Yamuna. Commenced with the Nag-Tibba trek. We are stranded, it's raining, and now we are stuck here till the rain stops. Okay, so hi guys, right now we are at the base camp of Nag-Tibba. These tents, 1, 2 and 3. These are our tents for the night. This is the view we have. Good morning. It's day 6 and right now we are at Nag-Tibba base camp and it's just 5:30. The sunrise happens at 5 o'clock over here. We'll be commencing our trek at around 6 a.m. That is half an hour from now.
Right now we are at elevation of around 6,000 feet and we'll be going to 10,000 feet. And let me show you the peak which we'll be going to. That is the peak which we are going to go. So that's the peak. So 6,000, then 10,000. That's the elevation we're going to gain.
Minutes into commencing the trek, and this is a view to die for.
That is our campsite.
I don't want to leave this place. It's been an amazing journey. It's just a place that you don't want to leave. We gotta continue the journey. Tomorrow we gotta go to Hrishikesh. Right now we got to go to Pantwari and then to Dehradun. So it's gonna be a long journey. Are you all from Go to Village? Okay. Thank you. Last leg. Now we are climbing down the base camp, and it's very sunny. It's 4 p.m. That village is Pantwari. Is where we have to go to get our jeeps and then go back to Dehradun.
Man, this is sad, man. I can't express more. This view, I don't want to miss this view.
जब जब दर्द का बादल छाया, जब गम का साया लहराया, जब आंसू पलकों तक आया, जब ये तन्हा दिल घबराया, हमने दिल को ये समझाया, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, दुनिया में यूं ही होता है। ये जो गहरे सन्नाटे हैं, वक्त ने सबको ही बांटे, थोड़ा गम है सबका किस्सा, थोड़ी धूप है सबका हिस्सा। आँख तेरी बेकार ही नम है, हर पल एक नया मौसम। क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता।